Well, we're working linear equations in intermediate algebra. Well, let's look at another one here. We have 3 times 2x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 2 times 4x minus 1 plus 12. So we want to find the solution to this equation. And what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 3 across. So 3 times 2 is 6. But of course we don't want to leave off the x. And 3 times 5 is 15. But that's a minus 15. Plus 7 is equal to 2 times 4 is 8. That's 8x, and 2 times 1 is 2, but that's minus 2, remember? Plus 12. Now we want to collect all our like terms up. Well, the only thing that we have like over here on this side of the equal sign is going to be the minus 15 plus 7. So we end up with 6x, and that's going to be a difference of, I believe, minus 8. And the like terms we have over on this side and so we end up with 8x plus 10. Now I have an 8x on this side and a 6x over here. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to take the 6x over to the right hand side. And that is, I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. So now those guys are going to go away there, and so we're going to be left with negative 8. We have an 8x minus 6x, so that's left with 2x. But of course we have this 10 here to deal with, and we'll get rid of that. And that is, I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. So now we're left with, over here on this side, negative 18. And of course those are going to go away. So we have 2x is equal to negative 18. I want to multiply both sides by 1 over 2. And I like to put my negatives in parentheses. There was no reason to put that in parentheses, but I did it anyway. So 2 times a half is 1, so we're left with x is equal to negative 9. So that's going to be our solution. So now I'm going to state an equation for you to work out. So I've got a good one here. We're going to have 10 times 3x minus 5 minus 7 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 times 2x, in parentheses I should say, plus 6. So you try to work that out. I'm going to go ahead and give you the final equation. So based on that previous problem, you should be able to follow those steps and work this guy out. Okay.